Hi and welcome to my Passive Income, the YouTube channel where you can follow me in my online investments. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from one exchange to Binance to have your funds for trading with Cointech to you. So follow me in this video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is log into your Binance account. And when you have done that, you will go up here in the menu and you will click on Wallet and then Fiat and Spot. And here you will see a list of all cryptocurrencies that are available on Binance. If you can't see it here in the list, you can search for it here on the search coin. And whatever coin you have and the coin you want to transfer, you go to that one here in the list. So for instance, if you want to transfer Bitcoin, you will choose Bitcoin here and then you will go on deposit here. And when you come here to deposit crypto, you will see BTC is selected. Now you should select the network, and here I will choose Bitcoin for this one network. And here you can see the address then for your wallet within Binance. It's extremely important that you select the right network for the coin that you have in your other wallet. So for instance, if you choose USDT and you have that in let's say the Tron network, you have to choose the right network for TAC20. So be very careful of what network you choose. Anyway, when you have your address here on Binance, you will copy that address here and then you will go to your other wallet. So I have a local installed wallet that is called Exodus on my computer. So I can start that to show you how what I mean with the network. So over here in my Exodus wallet, I will click on Bitcoin and then I will click send. Now I don't have any money here, but I will just show you how it works. So then I click on send, and here you will paste the address from Binance. So in Binance, copy that address, and then on Exodus, paste that address there, and then you will click here on send. And after all the transactions in the blockchain has been verified, the money or the Bitcoin will arrive to your Binance wallet. Okay, so that is all for this video. I hope you follow me in the rest of the videos in this series of Cointech to you. Thanks for this time.